main course. So we've got our lovely chicken legs, our aloo, our hare hill greens, or sag, our green curry sauce, kachumber, our homodod pea chole, and mint yogurt. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is get the chicken in the oven. So I marinated this chicken in some garlic, ginger, turmeric, and salt, and that's about it. Oh, and a bit of vinegar as well. So we'll make sure they're skin side up. And get them in an oven about 180 to 200, and we're going to try and crisp the skin up a bit more and heat them all the way through. Okay, so next we're going to put the potatoes in, the aloo, into the oven as well. A bit of colour on them as well. Then whilst those are cooking, we're just going to wilt down our greens to run through the aloo at the end. So they're going in. It's really nice big leaf spinach from Hare Hill. Not like your normal stuff that just wilts down to nothing, it's holding a bit of shape. So I'm just going to cook it till it's just slightly wilted, and then I'm going to put it in a bowl to mix through the potatoes in a minute. So in that same pan, we're going to put our green curry sauce. Then in another small pan, we're going to put our carlin pea chole and just slowly warm them up. The curry paste is basically totally raw. It means there's kind of a spicy heat coming from ginger and garlic that's in there. The more you cook it, the more that will come out, but I just want to sort of heat it through. Okay, so potatoes have gone nice and golden. Nice bit of crisp on them. Toss them through. To make our version of the sagaloo. And the first thing I'm going to do is put some of this on the plate. Come off at a slight angle with the chole. They're looking pretty good, nice and hot. Could get a bit more colour on them if you wanted, but I think they're looking quite good. So, let's get these guys on. Yeah, and some of this green curry sauce. Now I'm going to go kachumber. Finally, the mint yogurt.